3 more people have tested positive in the UK for coronavirus, with Northern Ireland confirming its first case tonight.
Where the hell did that come from?
That's just a sneeze, mate.
Have you been to Italy recently?
No.
China?
No, I'm your housemate, you know I've not been anywhere.
Have you ever been to Italy or China?
Well, Italy about 30 years ago.
Oh. Why didn't you tell me?
Well, I didn't even know you then, did I? You know.
It doesn't matter. You brought the coronavirus in here, you bald bastard.
Don't be so stupid, it's just a...
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, don't panic. Don't panic. What are we going to do? Just don't panic. Okay?
I'm not panicking.
Don't panic.
Okay. I'm not panicking, just calm down.
Stop panicking.
Just calm down.
Stop fucking panicking.
I'm not panicking.
Oh, my God. What are we going to do? Oh, we're going to have to quarantine you.
Don't be ridiculous.
We haven't got much choice, okay?
It's just a sneeze, mate. I'll go get some Beechams if you want.
Yeah, it starts out as a sneeze, and the next thing you know it, the apocalypse is upon us, eh? And the last remaining survivors are running around killing each other and eating babies, all because of your fucking sneeze!
You've been watching too much TV, look. What are you crying at? We do!
Oh, look, calm down! Go on. Oh, we need to quarantine you! We need to quarantine you! This is only temporary, okay? Right? I'll get a doctor. Yeah, I'm just going to lock the door. and I'll barricade the windows from the outside. Okay? This is just temporary. Just temporary. Hey, mate. How are you feeling?
Fine, how many times do I have to tell you? It's just a sneeze.
We can't take any chances, okay? I can't take any chances, so I bought you something.
What are you doing?
I read somewhere that Corona can be made better with a slice of lime, so...
That's the one Corona.
Do you think maybe two
No,
slices
don't
of
be
lime?
stupid. Just leave me alone now. Look, have you even called the doctor?
Yes, I've called the doctor. I can't get through to him, okay? He's very busy.
Just let me out. Just let me out.
Be patient. Just wait there. Just
Let me out.
I'll get you out. I promise. Okay? Just be patient. Come on in, Doc. Thank you. So the patient is upstairs, you say? Yeah, I should have called you sooner, but I think he has the coronavirus. Right. Well, I better go take a closer look at him. Yeah, of course, please. I'll be down here if you need anything. Okay, thank you. Okay. That was fast, Doc. How is he? Is he okay? I'm afraid I have some bad news. He's passed away. He's dead as a donut. Oh, I knew he had the coronavirus. I should have called you sooner. Do you think it's spread? Do you think maybe I've got it? No, it wasn't the coronavirus. He just starved to death. Oh. Yeah, well, it looks like he's been locked away in that room for a long time now, and as far as I can see, the only thing that he's eaten is a slice of lime. Oh, yeah, that kind of makes sense. How long's he been in there for? Just 2, maybe 3 months. Months? I'll be honest with you, Doc. I kind of forgot he was there. I would maybe consider getting yourself a lawyer.